माए नी मेरी शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी कदूर है चंबा कितनी कदूर शिमले निवसना सोनी निवसना चंबे जाना जरूर है चंबे जाना जरूर
चंबे जाना जरूर. Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the channel. Let's continue to the second part of the video. And without wasting any more time, let's explore Chamba in Himachal. Chamera is an unnatural lake. This lake is surrounded by stunning green trees and beautiful valleys. This man-made lake is created due to the hydroelectric dam developed over the river Ravi. In this lake, tourists can enjoy water sporting activities also, like paddle boating, rowing and sailing. While boating, one can also see leopards and their caves in the mountains. This lake is really wonderful. The old name of Chamba was Champavati. Chamba in Himachal is a naturally blazed town located on the banks of river Ravi. Chamba is a valley of milk and honey. It is known for its streams, meadows, temples, paintings, rumal and lakes. Like other popular Himachali towns, this attractive town is not on the tourist radar. And that's what makes it a must-visit destination. Chamba is also famous for its art and craft. The history and culture of this place is represented in the artistic form of music, dance, and with the help of Pahadi paintings. The river Ravi is a river of India and Pakistan. This river originates in the Himalayas, in the Chamba district. According to ancient history, river Ravi was known as Purushani or Iravati in Vedic times.
देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः.
Ma Jagdamba Temple. The main attraction of this temple is a huge statue of Lord Shiva. The structure of this temple is really attractive and the outside view is just amazing. This magnanimous statue of Lord Shiva is 108 feet high. Smile on the face of Lord Shiva will definitely brighten your day. Lakshmi Narayan Temple. This temple was built in 10th century by Raja Sahil Varman. जी हाँ, ये मंदिर 1000 साल पुराना है। इन 1000 सालों में यहाँ कितने भूकंप आए, बाढ़ आई, पर इस मंदिर को कुछ नहीं हुआ। ये अपने आप में एक रहस्य है। कहा जाता है औरंगजेब ने इस मंदिर को गिराने की बात की थी, पर ये सुनते ही राजा ने इसके जवाब में 1678 में मंदिर के शिखर पर सोने के चमत्कारी कलश स्थापित करवाए। इनसे मंदिर की शोभा और अधिक बढ़ गई। This holy temple is also an architectural masterpiece. There are wooden umbrellas and a shell roof on the top of the temple. The wheel-shaped roof keeps the cold away. Murti of Lord Vishnu in this temple is made of a rare marble. This marble has been brought from Vindhyachal mountains. अगर आप कभी चंबा जाए तो इस टेम्पल में जरूर जाइएगा। This temple is really amazing. Dharamshala is previously known as Bhaksu. It is a land of tradition, culture and mythological mysteries. It is a well-known center for studying Buddhism, its tantras, sutras and major texts related to this. Dharamshala also has several tea gardens, which now produces all teas including black tea, green tea and white tea also. Dalai Lama Temple. Dalai Lama Temple is situated in McLeodganj, which is a small town in Dharamshala. Dalai Lama visits this temple twice or thrice every year to preach and bless. This temple is famous for providing religious teachings. People can meditate inside the temple as well. You can always speak with the lamas inside the temple to learn more about meditation and its techniques. Kala Chakra is a Sanskrit word made up of two terms, Kala and Chakra. The word Kala Chakra means wheel of time or time cycles. The Kala Chakra system represents 3 time cycles: external, internal and alternative. In Buddhist tradition, there are important rituals associated with Kala Chakra. Kala Chakra is one of the most important Buddhist tantric teachings and practices. St. John's Church. This is an old angelic church of Himachal Pradesh, and it is situated in the valley of McLeodganj. It is around 8 kilometers from Dharamshala. The church is built in a neo-Gothic architecture and it is dedicated to John the Baptist. The structure is so powerful that it survived Kangra earthquake in the year 1905. Due to heavy snowfall, roads near our hotel were covered with snow. No cabs were available, and the only way to reach to the bus stop was by walking. This unexpected snow trek is my memorable and most treasured experience of Himachal trip, which has given a perfect end to it.
हक हक अगा गुरु गोबिंद सिंह शाह शहनशाह गुरु गोबिंद सिंह वाहे गुरु वाहे सतगुरु नानक परगटया मिटी धुंध जग जानन होआ
Shri Harminder Sahib, Golden Temple. Golden Temple is the symbol of peace, glory and strength. It is the main pilgrimage and spiritual center for the Sikhism throughout the world. It is founded in 1577 by the 4th Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das, with the 5th Guru, Guru Arjan, designing the temple. A total of 160 kg of gold is used to beautify the 4 entrance domes of the temple complex. People can stay at the sarai inside the temple if they want. Visit to a golden temple is a very soothing experience. When you enter inside the temple, the freshness and calmness will embrace you from all around. That's why you must keep it on your travel list.
पार ब्रह्म कर नमस्कार्या तन तन रामदास गुरु तन तन रामदास गुरु तन तन रामदास गुरु
The Government of India has changed the name of Wagha border to Attari border with immediate effect, since Wagha is a village in Pakistan while Attari is in India. The purpose of Attari border ceremony is to formally close the border for the night and take off the national flag of both the nations. Since 1959, this flag lowering ceremony is done daily before sunset. अमृतसर में हो तो यहाँ जाना मत भूलना, आपको यहाँ फिर से एक बार पैट्रियोटिक फील जरूर होगा।
पार ब्रह्म कर नमस्कार्या तन तन रामदास गुरु तन तन रामदास गुरु जिन सिरिया तिन सवारिया जिन सिरिया तिन सवारिया
Dera Baba Nanak. Gurudwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur is the world's largest Sikh Gurudwara. This Gurudwara is one of the most sacred places of the Sikh community. It is situated on the banks of River Ravi in Pakistan. The Kartarpur corridor is known as the Corridor of International Peace and Harmony. It is a 4.2 km long passage connecting the town of Dera Baba Nanak in India with the Kartarpur Sahib Gurudwara in Pakistan's Narowal district. It is believed to be the final resting place of Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of Sikhism. This corridor offers a visa-free access to the pilgrims. अगर आप इंडियन हैं और पाकिस्तान में इंडियन कल्चर का फील लेना चाहते हैं, then this is the right place for you.
सतगुरु नानक परगटया मिट धुंध जग चानन होआ ज्यों कर सूरज निकलया तारे छपे बेपनोआ सतगुरु नानक परगटया.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please show your support by subscribing the channel. Also share this video with your friends and family. Take care. Bye.